Hey everyone, presenting the Teclast T50HD, the newest model in Teclast's range of adaptable tablets that promises to transform your everyday life. The T50HD is a convenient device that is ideal for work, study, and play because of its excellent combination of features, performance, and cost. The gorgeous 11-inch HD display, which is a clear 1920 by 1200 resolution, is the centerpiece of the T50HD. The rich graphics and 16:10 aspect ratio provide for an engrossing experience whether you're streaming your favorite shows, engaging in intense gaming sessions, or just surfing the web. Not only is this display aesthetically pleasing, but it has also earned TÜV Rheinland certification for eye protection, which lessens eye strain when using it for longer periods of time and lets you watch material in comfort. Despite its powerful capabilities, the T50HD remains incredibly lightweight at just 530 grams and boasts a slim profile of 7.8 millimeters. Crafted with a CNC machined aluminum body and a sandblasted finish, it strikes a balance between portability and durability, making it an ideal choice for those constantly on the move. Underneath its sleek exterior lies the robust Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with up to 14 gigs of RAM. This configuration ensures seamless multitasking and provides ample storage space with 256 gigs of UFS storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks or storing a vast media library, the T50HD handles it all effortlessly. Equipped with an 8000 mAh battery, the T50HD offers up to 10 hours of continuous use, eliminating the need for frequent recharges and allowing you to stay productive and entertained throughout the day. Additionally, its superior camera setup, a 13 megapixels rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera, ensures crisp photos and clear video calls, enhancing your communication and content creation experiences. The T50HD doesn't stop there. It supports dual SIM cards for seamless connectivity on the go, and with Wi-Fi support and Google Play pre-installed, accessing your favorite apps and entertainment is a breeze. The Teclast T50HD tablet, which combines performance and style to enhance your portable computing experience, will launch on Amazon the following week. Don't pass up this chance to modernize your digital lifestyle. This release is your path to experiencing the future of technology at your doorstep. Ultimately, the Teclast T50HD is more than simply a tablet, rather, it's an all-in-one solution developed to accommodate your many demands, be they work-related, academic, or leisure-related. The T50HD raises the bar for inexpensive feature-rich tablets, with its potent performance, immersive display, sturdy build, and intelligent functions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.